What's up guys? Hello mga off-roaders. Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel at bigla kayong nakarating dito sa aking channel, ngayong araw na to is pag-uusapan naman natin ang tinatawag nilang subs to subs. So sa YouTube, kailangan mong kumuha ng mga subscribers. Kasi sa YouTube is the requirements to monetize your YouTube channel is to get more subscribers. YouTube is you need to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour. So dapat yung dalawa nakatandem sila. Some content creators now here in YouTube are asking to have subs to subs. He or she wants to sub to my channel, but then in return magpa-subs pa rin siya. So ngayon, the problem is this: if mag-sub lang siya sa iyo para mag-gain kayo ng both subscribers na maka 1,000 subs kayo, hindi yun ang basihan ni YouTube, because YouTube wants kailangan niya ng watch hour. So dapat yung watch hour mo is makakaabot ka ng 4,000 watch hour. Kung manonood ka ng isang Avengers movie, that's equivalent to 2 hours. Kailangan mo mag-watch ng 2,000 hours isang movie ng Avengers. So ngayon, gusto nyo mag-sub to sub. So kapag nakaabot ka na ng 1,000, hindi ka pa rin mag-grant ni YouTube sa monetization kasi hindi ka nakaabot ng 4,000 watch hour. Huwag kayong maniwala sa mga subs to subs kasi mga problema kayo, matatagalan yung pag-monetize ng inyong channel. All the content creators are making videos, like longer videos, like 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, if you are monetize ka na ni YouTube, if you have longer videos, then you can put your advertisements there. So that's the time that you can have a commission from YouTube. So if you are planning to make a YouTube channel, start it now, because hindi natin alam kung ano naman ang gagawin ni YouTube sa kanyang mga rules. So far ngayon is talagang mahirap ngayon na YouTube. If you are planning to start a YouTube channel, okay, start na karon. So if you don't know how to how to edit your video, or nag-aalangan ka na mag-vlog, or nahihiya ka nga mag-vlog, so isipin mo lang ginagawa mo yan para sa sarili mo, para rin sa pamilya mo. Tapos kapag dumating ang araw na ma-monetize ka na niya, may matatanggap ka na sweldo from YouTube. Isipin mo lang ang ginagawa mo is your job, your work. Nag-work ka sa YouTube. Huwag mo isipin yung mga tao na kapag nakikita kanila na nag-vlog ka dyan sa public, at don't care about them, guys. So mga off-roaders, if you're watching this video and you're planning to make a YouTube channel, make it now, start it now. So if you want to ask me about how do I make my YouTube channel videos, I just make my videos here in my phone, because sa phone is it's very easy to use the phone for vlogging, because ang camera is mabigat, tapos nakakakuha siya ng atensyon ng tao. So when you're doing the vlogging in public, then talagang maiilang ka talaga. Pero pag sa phone ka lang, may technique ako dyan. I will teach you the tips later. Maybe I can make another video on how to vlog in public. Sa mga bagong nagsa-start ng YouTube ngayon, huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Just keep uploading guys, just keep uploading. So kahit ano upload nyo dito, someday yung mga videos nyo akala nyo walang kwenta, talagang kakapera kayo dun. Ang init dito guys, talagang magkakapera kayo dun. So everything, kahit anong content nyo ilagay nyo, kahit na parade yan, parade na binidyuhan nyo, or pusa ba, aso, ano yan, kahit anong video na gusto nyong i-upload sa YouTube, upload it now, start it now. Just keep uploading because just keep telling your if may mga visitors kayo sa inyong channel, tapos kung gusto nila mag-subscribe sila, sige, sila ang bahala doon. Huwag natin silang i-grab na halika at i-subscribe mo yung channel ko. Parang hindi ko gusto yung gandun guys, kasi if they subscribe it now, kung mag-subscribe sila ngayon mag-subscribe sila ngayon, and then one day pag after they watch your video or subscribe, then they don't know, they just left you. So mas okay yung subscriber na gusto yung video mo, gusto yung channel mo, kasi kapag may ina-upload ka na video is talagang hinihintay nila yan, kapag inaabangan nila yan. So if you're planning to upload a video, dapat nakaschedule ka guys, kapareho sa mga teleserye yan, may schedule sila, so para may aabangan sila. Okay, so yun lang yung mga tips ko ngayon. So maybe I can make another video. Yes, maybe you can ask me some question if you have some question to me, and then yes, you can just comment on the comment section. Just comment, leave some comments na kung anong gusto nyo itanong sa akin, kasi I'm planning to make a question and answer portion next time I upload, maybe later after I make this video. Siguro wala tayong bike ngayon guys, kasi parating umuulan dito sa amin sa Dumaguete City. So alam nyo ba kung saan yung Dumaguete City? It is situated here in Central Visayas. We are here at the Negros Oriental. So yung Bacolod is Negros Occidental. So nandito po kami sa Dumaguete City sa Negros Oriental. I traveled Dumaguete, Negros Oriental, and Siquijor. So that's why my videos are mostly biyahe-biyahe siya guys. So that's why I started vlogging, because gusto ko yung ginagawa ko. Tapos yung pagbablog is for your like documentation of yourself lang naman, di ba? Na someday pwede mong pagkakitaan. So that's why just keep uploading your video. Ang vlogging is like posting in your Facebook account. So ang nakaiba lang dito is video to. May interaction dito. Alam mo yung emotions ng mga nasa video natin. It's more realistic than the picture. So, kapag picture naman guys, pang Facebook yan, tapos kung may hahanapin ka, kailangan mo talagang halukayin yung mga na-post mo. Pero dito sa YouTube is if you can recall the title of your video, then you can go back to the time na you were there, that you're making this video. So that's why I started to make my YouTube channel and my vlog. I'm an outdoor fan. If you don't know guys, that I started being outdoor enthusiast mga 2008. So if ever I made a video from 2008 till now, so maybe more, talagang marami na akong nagsusubscribe sa akin kasi yung mga video, kung yung mga adventures ko is yeah, you like it guys. I know you like it because puro biyahe guys. So nakapunta na ako ng Mount Canlaon, nag mountain climbing kami, Mount Talinis. So ang hindi ko lang nasalihan sa group namin is yung pumunta sila ng Mount Apo at saka yung Pulag. So if I have YouTube channel that time guys, I think it's really good. I do the airsoft, yes, mountain biking, yon ang nakikita nyo ngayon. Nagbabiyahe kami, and also sa job ko na last time nag-Japan kami, and then before nag-Thailand. Tapos sa mga friends din namin, nakapunta na kami sa Taiwan. So if you like this channel guys, maybe you can subscribe. Maybe if you don't like this channel, maybe not. So just comment down below pala yung mga gusto nyong malaman sa akin, at saka yan natin sasagutin. Gagawa tayo ng videos. Shout out to Ken's Gaming. So thank you for watching. Shout out to Don Mart Pataho. Yes, salamat sa pag-watch ng videos. And then Idol, baka maka-collab sa'yo we will do the mountain climbing, mountain adventure, man. So okay guys, napakainit dito sa loob. So okay guys, thank you for watching this video. This is just a update for more upcoming videos. So gagawa tayo ng maraming ganitong videos na parang nagkukwentuhan lang tayo because it's rainy and I think hindi tayo makalabas ngayon. So magkukwento na lang tayo ngayon. Yes, just keep watching my videos. So just like and share guys. And then okay, peace out.